The morning star, breaking daylight here in Georgia. Amazing amount of birds I can hear. Even though my family here says they're not near as thick as they used to be either. Planet Venus without the moon, unlike the other day we had the crescent moon, but it also gets about 45 minutes later each day, so it's not in the shot now. But the planet Venus still comes up. It varies through the year. It comes up a little later in the winter time than it does in the summer. Quite see the depth here that I see at home. Farther south of here, the trees were weak. Boy, I miss the birds. I mean, I can just hear them as far as my ears will let me. When I visited my family last time, it was beautiful. Birds were so prevalent, bugs too. And goes some bats. Little brown bats. I barely see any in Florida. They used to be very thick. Florida has chemically neutered itself from life. I think there was deer out here all night. The outside light kept coming on in my bedroom. Everybody's still asleep at my aunt's house, my dad's sister. Hear roosters. Hope y'all can hear all that. It's amazing. Very heavy chemtrails yesterday, all the way from Florida to here, 350 miles. Most of the birds I seen were predator birds, red-tailed hawks, kites. Very woodsy area where I'm at here, on top of a big hill, Holly Ridge. Very nice. Standing by.